Who's that?
Elmo.
Elmo.
Now, give Elmo a really big hug. Yes, that's a big hug. Elmo loves you so, so much. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Elmo loves you so, so much. Please hug Elmo.
Who are you hugging? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Okay.
Again, what?
Yeah?
Yeah, what? You gonna make some noises with me?
Mom?
Do you want to talk to me? Whoops. Say hi, Daddy.
Okay.
Say hi, Daddy. Oh.